Do you know which mistakes can cause your GPS tracker installation to fail? If the device is installed in an enclosed space or blocked by metal, the signal will be affected. During installation, don't forget to connect the external power. Always insert the SIM card before connecting power. If you connect the power first, the device may short circuit. When configuring APN, some devices fail because users forget spaces in the command or put them in the wrong place. Even one wrong space can cause the configuration to fail. When setting the center number, some users mistakenly set it as the device's own SIM number. The correct setup should always be your own phone number. For monitoring, the center number must include the country code. If you forget it, even if the system shows success, monitoring will fail. Also remember, the SIM card must support calls. 2G cards need voice service, and 4G cards must support VoLTE. Testing indoors may lead to inaccurate positioning. For best results, always test outdoors in an open area.